Hello year 8, welcome to lesson 3 in HTML. In this lesson you're going to study a little bit about text formatting. We're going to look at how we can lay out paragraphs and use the heading tag and a break tag to help us space our work. So I suggest that you read through the handout to see what's expected of you, and I'll give you a brief overview of how to achieve that. So let's look at our work from last week. I've got my first web page stored in my folder. I'm going to right click, if you can remember. I'm going to open with my notepad editor, and today we're going to look at this simple paragraph tool that we begun with, or we started the last number of lessons. So what we're going to look at today is something called the heading tag, and that is H, and the heading tag has got, if I can remember correctly, 7 numbers, 1 to 7, with H1 being the largest. So I'm going to put in a called name, Mr. Grimes. I'm going to close my H1 tag. I'm going to save it, and if you can remember, if I double click to open this, we can see, there we go, the biggest header I believe was H1, and the smallest, if I can remember correctly, is H7. So I'll put in a H7 tag just to demonstrate. H7, my email is, I'll put in my email address, and I'll end my H7. So for different sizes of tags, hopefully you get the idea. H1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I change this and refresh it, and you can see here that was H7. I'll change that just to give you an idea for H3. I'm saving, I'm refreshing, and that gives you an overview of the different header tags. The next tag we're going to look at today is something called the line break, or the break tag, and that's just a very simple BR for break. Now note, if I take spaces in my notepad, it's not reflected on the document. It's not what we call in computing a what you see is what you get in environment. The only reason I place spaces in my notepad is to make it easy for me to read, or another programmer to read. They're not reflected on the screen. If I want a break on the screen, I use the BR tag. So I'm just going to cut this, and I'm going to put in 2 spaces. In fact, I'll put in 4 spaces just to demonstrate that between my Hello Year 8 and my name. So I've saved it, and I go in here and hit refresh, and you can see that it's spaced out the screen. So by combining our H1s, 2, 3s, 4, 5, 6, 7, our P tags and our B tags, you should be able to complete the task and create on your first page a very simple section that will show your name, age, form, class, email, favourite book, favourite film, favourite computer games, and I would suggest that you use the header tags to help you with this. So again, good luck and enjoy.